Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will tell you how to use 7-Eleven app on your cell phone and how you can save money on fuel using this app. And there are a lot of other benefits of using 7-Eleven app. So I will cover all that in today's video. So first thing you got to do on your cell phone, that you got to download this app on your cell phone. If you are on your iPhone, go to the Apple Store. In search option, you type 7-Eleven, came up, and just download this app. So I have already downloaded the app. So when I open it, and I've already registered this app as well. So as you can see, this is the screen I've got here on my phone. So what you got to do is, so once installed, you have to sign up or log in. If it's the first time, click join now. You will need to enter basic details like your name, email address and postcode. After that, you have to verify your email and you are good to go. Alright, on your app there will be a main dashboard, has few features like fuel price lock, rewards and offers, store locator, and number 4, scan and pay at some locations. Alright, the fuel price lock is the best feature if you want to save money on petrol. Here is how it works. Number 1, tap on the fuel tab. Use your current location or nearby postcode to view the cheapest 7-Eleven fuel prices in the area. Once you find a good price, tap lock it in. This price is locked for 7 days, even if price goes up. Alright, if you do not have to be near the store, just find a cheap area and lock the price immediately or remotely. When you are ready to fill up, go to any participating 7-Eleven store and scan your app at the pump to redeem your locked price. The app also has a reward system where you can earn points every time you make eligible purchases in a store. You can redeem these points for free snacks, drinks, and even fuel discounts. Check the offer tab. Often they frequently have limited time deals like $1 coffee, buy one get one free snack, and more. Need to find a nearby 7-Eleven? Tap the stores tab to see opening hours, fuel availability, and whether they support scan and pay, which lets you check out directly through the app. Scan your items in store using your phone camera, pay the app, and then skip the queue. Alright, as you can see here on the screen, I'm on 7-Eleven website and there are a lot of options here to choose. But let's go through this main page. Enjoy app exclusive deals. Make the most of your 7-Eleven app by redeeming exclusive offer and reward by scanning your My Card every time you shop in the store. Earn velocity points using the My 7-Eleven app today. So fuel price lock in our best local fuel price and you could save. Loyalty, track your eligible visit and the rewards on your 7th visit. App exclusive deals, velocity points. Alright, how it works: new loyalty rewards. Scan your My Card when you shop and enjoy a reward on your 7 eligible visit. Okay. Velocity points, link your velocity account, then scan your My Card to turn petrol and purchase into velocity points. Let's click on find out more. So 2 velocity points per every eligible $1 is spent in a store. How to earn. All 7-Eleven stores offer 3 ways to earn velocity points, including the My 7-Eleven app, My Velocity digital card, as well the physical velocity membership card. Start earning velocity points. So you can go on to this page and have a look the information. Alright, let's go to the first page. So this is the main one. Choose your velocity type. Select the type of fuel you want to purchase.